Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change work hours in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the activity, the community, chat, and the calendar. Also in the bottom side of the left side, we have invite to teams and the search bar in the top. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change work hours in Microsoft Teams. So first of all, you need to go and open the Outlook on the web. So head over to outlook.office.com and sign in. Then access the calendar settings. So switch to calendar view by clicking on the calendar icon. In the upper right corner, click on the settings gear icon. Then select view all Outlook settings at the bottom of the settings pane, navigate to calendar, and then work hours and location. Customize your work hours by specifying the days and times you're available. You can set different hours for different days if needed. Then click save to apply your new work hours, and then fully close and restart both Outlook and the Teams app where we are at the moment to ensure the changes take effect. Changing your work hours in Outlook affects how your availability shows up in Microsoft Teams, so making it easier for colleagues to schedule meetings. So basically for that, here you have the calendar where everything will be, of course, then changed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye, guys.